Welcome, students, to Health in Odysseyware. And I first want to introduce myself, and I see through my roster that many of you I've already had, so you know me as Mrs. Rao, but it is Miss Mirtha now. And I wanted to make sure you all are aware it's the same person because tech support has not changed my email yet, so my email is still prao. But everything in Odysseyware, if you message me or Hangouts, it's going to be Mirtha. So you just kind of have to remember that. Once everything is changed over, I will make sure you guys know. The first thing I want to do is I want to look at the PACE chart. That's probably the most important thing I want to cover today is in the past couple weeks, I have sent each of you a welcome email through your email, Gmail accounts, and I also sent you a PACE chart. Now, the one thing I want you to realize with the PACE chart is it's just a guideline. It's just a guideline to help you know how many assignments you should be completing a week if you hope to accomplish, and complete the class on time. Of course, you can work ahead. I love when I see students working ahead, but it's okay to work within the PACE chart. So if you're looking at the PACE chart, you can see September 8th, we're going to have Unit 1, and we have 5 assignments due. But if you kind of look through the PACE chart, you're going to see there's about 5 assignments due for the health class each week. This is a hard class. This is not a class that you want to, just wait till the end of the semester and try to, complete all the assignments because there's lots of projects. There's lots of essay questions. This is not a class that's easy. With that being said, always remember that I am here to help. I'm here to provide individual help. I'm here for group help. I'm always available for questions. And normally when I sign on, it's in the evenings around 5-ish. And I will sign on, and I do get lots of messages, and I do get lots of emails, and I answer those daily. So, it's just the most important thing I can say to you through this launch is it's really crucial to try to complete 5 assignments a week. If you get behind, that's a lot of assignments each week to get behind. And with that being said, again, you can work ahead. Okay, and the other thing I wanted to say is I will be doing attendance every day, and that every week I have to submit that to Mrs. Salyards. So it's very important that you attend and work in my class each day. But with 5 assignments due, you should be in my class each day so you don't fall behind. You want to make sure that you can resubmit any assignment, any project, and I even allow a quiz to be retaken. The only thing you need to do is message me or send me an email or however you want to get a hold of me and ask me to reset whatever assignment you would like reset. I have no limitations. I am always here. Normally if you don't do well on an assignment, I'm going to provide feedback when I grade the assignment. So you're going to kind of know have a good general idea where you went wrong on the assignment. But I'm also available if you say, you know what, Miss Mirtha, I really want to work with you. I'm available. So you want to remember that. And I also build in that if you pass all the quizzes in each unit, that you will not be required to take the test. And that's just a little, but you have to stay on pace. For you to be provided this extra benefit in the class, you need to make sure you're on pace. So the goal is you stay on pace and you won't have to take a test. You have to take the quizzes, but you won't have to take a test. And we can go over that more. Like I said, today is just to make sure you guys understand, the PACE chart and how crucial it is to make sure that you actually stay on pace with the PACE chart. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I didn't cover, and I think not. So what you want to do is, my question for you is that you need to go into your emails, find your PACE chart, find your welcome email from me, and then your question is to tell me what date I sent it. I know what date I sent it, but I want to see And it's important for you to find that information, to read that information, and to save it, because that's something that's a great tool for you to use throughout the semester. Have a great week. I look forward to being your instructor, and stay tuned for my launches, because I will be providing lots of help aids for each assignment. Have a great week, class.